Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new feature of the game mode that's only melee weapon or sword weapon in the game in the gameplay match. So what you need to do is click the feature. As you can see, this is the swords and stones. We are all samurai. uh, Click the question mark here. So as you can see, the map that used in this game mode, sword and stones, only three map: the reclaim, shipment, and rust. So and also the weapon that you can use only the melee weapons, especially swords. So let's jump to the game. Let's get started. As you can see, there are 8 players including us, and we are not teaming up in here. This is a random melee weapon. As you can see, I'm using sword right now, and this is free for all mode, so you kill each other. You playing solo in here, not teaming up. The only weapon that you can use is melee weapon. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.